Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have just done many of the things using different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have just covered up here using different programming languages. So today in this video, we will be just creating an amazing application here, but this will be not a normal application. This will be an amazing business marketing and consulting application which we are building here. We will be using different languages to create this project, which we have not used previously. We will be using frameworks of JavaScript which include Jest. So Jest is a framework of JavaScript, if you all know that, because Jest is now working in the market and it is having been too much used by many of the programmers. So then I think that I should also be using this framework and creating an amazing project using this framework here. So today we will be using Jest as our framework and we will be creating a project using it. We will be also using Typescript and JavaScript to create this amazing project here. So remember to see this video from start if you want to learn how we can just create an amazing business marketing and consulting application. So if you understand this video, if you enjoy this project as well, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing the notification bell as well, the more people can learn, they can understand how we can just create these amazing projects using different programming languages in future and in previously which we have created. So what we are waiting for? Let's get started with our amazing project and seeing that how we can create this project using different programming languages which include Jest, JavaScript, TypeScript and more. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project here. So like I'm telling you in the start, we are creating an amazing business marketing and consulting application which we are building through Jest, TypeScript and JavaScript. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just create this project. For building this amazing project, first of all, we have to create a folder in which we have to create some files of this project. So for doing that, you have to just move on to desktop or any other location where you want to create your folder. I will be moving on to desktop because I will be showing you a easy method here, and desktop is a safe place where I can just show you how we can create folder, and it is easy to find as well. So I will be now creating my folder on desktop. You can just press right click, go to new and press folder. So I will be now pressing folder here. You can see we are getting the new folder written. Now we have to give the name to our folder. So you can give any of the name. I will be giving it the name as like business marketing and consulting app. Like this, I have given the name to my folder. I will be now pressing enter here, and you can see our folder has been created now. Then I will be just moving in my folder, and I will be just now pressing paste to paste all the stuff which I have copied. But before that, we have to copy the things as well. So I want to copy some folder which I have created in my main folder. So you can see these are the folders which we have to copy here. So just remember, you can press Ctrl C to copy, or you can just also press right click to copy by pressing this copy button here. After copying that, you have to simply move on to the file on desktop where we have created. Then after moving here, I will be just moving on to my main file, and then I will be pasting that stuff which I have copied. You can see now we have just pasted all the stuff here. Then move on to again downloads. After moving here, I will be just doing one thing. I will be now just copying these files as well. These are the main browser file which we will be using. So I will be moving on to desktop, then move in this folder and paste all the stuff here as well. After doing that, open this folder in your default code editor, which is VS Code, as we are using VS Code here. So I will be pressing open folder, move to desktop. This is our folder business marketing and consulting app, and I will be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, you have to create another file here, and it will be named as index file. So I will be now creating that, and you can see we have created successfully the file. Now I will be deleting one file from here, which is the style file, because I will be not needing this file here. Right click, delete, and then here I will be doing that. Then again you have to create a style.css file, so we can just do the Jest styling work on this file here. Then remove this file, press Ctrl B to close side panel, and now open this file in the default browser, which is called Google Chrome. So you can see I have opened my file, and we are only getting the title as index, and nothing we are getting on the file. It is totally empty. So now we have to just create some code to just add some things here on our page, and when we add the things, so we have to reload it here on our browser so that we can get the interface here on our browser. So move on to the VS Code here. After moving here, first of all, we have to create the starting tags here. So I will be now creating the starting tag first of all as doc type. With that, I will be creating this HTML. Move down and write here HTML lang equal to
en. Then you have to now just close this thing as well. Then move here and create head tag, and here I will be writing meta char set equal to utf8 like this. Then here you have to again create meta and then write here http equal. So here I will be writing that http equal like this, then equal to, right here xua compatible, and then you have to now just do one thing. Remember, just move here and write here compatible. Then you have to write here content. Then here I will be writing I equal to edge, and then you have to now just do one thing like this. Move down and create meta name, and here I will be writing new code. Then here you have to just write content, and then here I will be now writing width equal to device. Then you have to write here width comma. Then you have to now write here minimum scale equal to 1.0. Then write here comma, and then write here maximum scale. Then I will be writing equal to 1.0. Then you have to now just do one thing. Write here comma user scalable, and then you have to write here equal to no. Then you have to close this tag as well. Then move down and write here another tag which will be as title. So I will be writing here title like this, and then here in center I will be giving the title which should be as business marketing, and or you can also write like this, and consulting app like this. Then when you just written that, you have to simply now do one thing. You have to move down and create meta tag here. So I will be writing meta name equal to, then here I will be writing keywords, create content, and then you have to now just make this. Then here I will be writing meta name equal to, then I will be writing description, and write here content equal to, then you have to close this tag as well. Then again create meta tag here, name, and now here I will be writing author. Then again you have to create content and close this tag as well. Move down and now create link rel like this, and write here shortcut icon, and here I will be now just writing href which will be just hashtag. Write here type image, and then I will be writing x dash icon. Then you have to now just close this tag here. Then again create link tag, and here I will be now just removing this style sheet from here and writing here fill touch icon, and in href I will be just writing hashtag like we have written at the top in the shortcut icon rel. Now I will be closing this tag, or if you don't want to write this slash, so no problem, you can also now write that if you want that. So I will be now moving down and create another link tag rel style sheet. Now I will be giving it the name as css/bsrat file which we have linked here successfully. Then you have to again give one line space and create link rel style sheet css slash, and I will be writing photo slider min.css which is the file name. After doing that, you have to simply now just move down and create a tag which will be linked, and write here css slash, and then you have to write here style. Then you have to again write link rel, and then write here css slash responsive. Then again create that and write here css slash custom. Then when you just written that, you have to give a space and then move down after the head tag. Write here body. So I will be now just creating this body tag here. You can see we have created that. I will be giving the ID as home, and I will be also writing here data spy scroll. Then create here data target equal to, write here navbar, and I will be writing here wb. Then write here data offset equal to 98. Then when you just written that, you have to simply write here div id preloader. Then here you have to write div class and write here loader. Then here you have to just now write here images slash and write here loader div. Then in alt you can write this hashtag like this. After doing that, you have to simply move down after the two divs which we have created. So I will be moving down and write here header class. Then here I will be writing top header. Then you have to now just write here nav class and write here navbar header nav, and then you have to write here navbar expand ng. So here I will be writing expand ng. Then you have to write here div class, and then here in this I will be just writing container fluid. Then you have to just write a tag, remove this href, create class container fluid. So here I will be now writing container fluid, or you can also just do like we have already created the container fluid div class at the top. So here I will be giving it the class as navbar brand. Then give a space, write here href, write the main file name. Then here give a space again and create image tag. Here I will be writing image logo.png which is the file name. Move after the close a tag which we have created and write here button. write class as navbar, toggler, write here type button. So here I will be writing that. Then write here data toggle, and then here I will be writing collapse. Then here I will be writing data target equal to, then you have to write here navbar wd, and then you have to write here area controls equal to, then you have to write here navbar wd. Then you have to write here area expanded, and in area expanded I will be just writing here false. Write here area label, and then here I will be writing toggle. Then when you just written this, you have to write here toggle navigation like this. Then you have to create a span tag, and then copy this span close and open tag by pressing Ctrl C, paste it 2 times down. Then here you have to just write div class, and here I will be writing collapse navbar, and I will be now just writing here collapse. Right here justify content like this, and then here you have to write id navbar wd. Then you have to move down and create UL tag, write class navbar, and I will be creating nav. So this will be our navbar which we are creating here. Remove this href and create class in the place of it as navlink active, and write here href as the main file name. Then move in center and write here home. So here I will be writing that. Then li tag, and here I will be again removing this, create class navlink, and here I will be now just writing again href about. Then here I will be writing about us. Then move down and create li tag, and then remove, or you can write class directly as navlink. So here I will be now writing this. Then in href I will be moving and writing services file, and here I will be writing services. Then you have to move down li tag and write here class navlink, and then you have to write href and then create here this tag and write here block. Then when you just written this, you have to write li tag, remove this href and write here navlink. Then write here href again and create contact file, and then you have to write here contact us. Then li tag and remove href again class as navlink. And here I will be also writing active, like at the top we have written style equal to background image, or you can also write background directly. Give the color F2184F like this, and give the text color here which will be as white. Then I will be now writing here href as like that, and I will be writing here sign up now. So here I will be writing that. Save this, and then move after the close div, create another div which will be as search box class it will be having. Then I will be creating input type text, and I will be writing here the class as search txt. Then write here placeholder as search. Then a tag and remove the href, create class as search btn. So here I will be now writing search btn, and then you have to now just write here images slash and write here search icon.png. Then you have to now just write here alt, then this hashtag you have to just write like this. Then when you just written that, you have to just move down after the header tag which we have created and write here div class, and then here I will be writing view log d, then bash home slider. So here I will be writing that. Then write here div class as container fluid, write here div class row. Sorry about that. So you can see we have just written that all the stuff like we want here, and then I will be now creating div class again as pogo slider, and here I will be writing id js main slider. Then you have to now just write here div class as pogo slider. So here again I will be writing that. Then you have to just write here pogo slider dash slide, and here you have to write style is equal to background image, and write here url, then create image slash banner image.png which is the image, then close this tag here. Then here you have to create div. So here I will be now moving down, create div class as container, write here div class row. Then I will be writing div class as colmd12, write here div class as text. Then you have to now just do one thing, you can just move here and then you can write here slide underscore text. Then you have to just write h3 and write here trusted and br tag, and then you have to now just press backspace to get some space here. Write here professional, and then you have to write here advisors. Then br tag h4, and then you have to write here span tag class Then you have to now just write here theme underscore color. Then you have to write here for your business, and then you have to just move down, create dr tag, p tag, and write here showcase your profile. So here I will be writing showcase your profile to the world using online. So here I will be writing using online CV like this, builder, and get hired like this. I'm writing as text right fast. Then here you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be now just moving down and then create a tag, and then you have to just move. Then here I will be writing contact GT. Then you have to write here href about like this, and then you have to write here about us. Then when you just written that, you have to move after the 5 divs here. So these are the 3, 2, 5. Then create here div class, and then I will be writing here pogo slider, and then write here slide style, and I will be now just writing it as background image, which should be as URL, and I will be writing image slash banner image. Then when you just done with that things here, I will be now moving, and then here you have to just now do one thing, like I will be now just creating a div which will be having the class as banner, and right here, okay, so here I will be now writing container in the place of it. Right here div class row. Then when you just written that, you have to simply write here div class as column d12, which will be another class. Then again create div class as slide underscore text. So here I will be now writing that. Then write here h3, and I will be just writing here trusted and br tag. So here I will be writing press backspace, and then I will be writing here professional. Right here advisors, br tag h4, spend tag. Here I will be now writing. Then you have to create class theme color. Then you have to now just write here for your business. So here I will be now writing that. Then you have to move down after the h4 br tag t tag, and I will be writing showcase your profile. Then here I will be writing to the world using online CV. Then you have to now just write here builder and get hired faster. So when you just done that, take this close p tag at the top here. Then you have to just now move after the 3, 4, 5, 6 div. So these are the 4, 5, 6. Move, press enter. Then these are the 3 divs. So I will be moving down after that. Then here I will be giving the class as section layout, and then right here underscore padding. Right here div class, and here I will be now writing container. Right here div class row. Then move down here as well, and then after doing that all stuff, simply you have to now just settle that all stuff. So you can see we have just written the div class row here like that. So after writing the div class row here, you have to now just give the section layout. So you can see we have written the section layout padding here like this. But before that, we have to just set some of the other things as well to get the section layout padding. So here for doing that, you can just see we have just written the build faster. Like at the top, we have written that stuff here as well. So now when you just done that, simply you have to do one thing, that you have to simply move down to get all the stuff working. So you can see we are getting the stuff. If I just show you here, which is saying us that the marketing. Okay, so we have to just move on to the file to check we are getting all the stuff or not. Okay, so you can see we are now getting the section layout padding. If I scroll down to show you, you can see here we are getting section layout padding, then container row. Now again create the div class as column d12 and write here div class as full. Then you have to also write here div class as heading, and then you have to write here main text align left. So here I will be now just writing text align, and then you have to write here left. Write here div class left. Then here you have to just write p tag and then create class as section count. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to now just write here 01, and then you have to create div class as right, and then you have to now just write here p tag class small. So here I will be now writing a small tag. Then you have to now just write here about us. Then you have to just move down and create h2, and then you have to now just write here spend tag, write class, and then here I will be writing theme color, right like this, theme underscore color, and then right here we can we can help your, so here I will be writing we can help your business. Then here I will be writing grow. Now here you have to move down after the close hashtag and write here large class. Then write here get your business. Then here I will be writing in 4 easy steps. Then when you just done that, here you have to now just move after the div. So this is the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to now just create div here as well and write class as section dark underscore busy and write here div class as container underscore flow. Then move down and write here div class row and write here div class as call mg and write here 6 call md 12 and then write here text align center. Then you have to write here padding underscore 0. Then write here div class. So here I will be now writing full. And then you have to write here image class. And then you have to now just write here image responsive. Then source, here I will be writing image2 png.png. Then move after 2 tags and create div class here call md6, call md12, wide, fonts, layout. Then here I will be now just writing padding left, and then here I will be writing padding left right like this. Right here h3 class, and I will be writing here the small padding. Then here I will be now just writing everything, and then you have to just write here br tag, and then you have to write here you need in one solution. Then when you just written that, you have to write here p tag, and I will be writing it is a law established fact that a reader will be, so here I will be writing will be distracted. Then here I will be writing by the readable content of a page when looking at its layout. So here I will be writing that. Then when you just written that, you have to simply now just write here the point of using lorem ipsum is that it has a more or less, or you can write more or less normal. And then here I will be now just writing distribution. Then here I will be writing off letters as opposed to using. Then here I will be now just writing content here like this. You can write a normal text, then right here this tag, and then when you just written this, just remove the column from here, and then I will be writing here content here like this, and then right here making it look like. Then here I will be writing readable English. Then when you just done that, you have to create main desktop, right here publishing. Then you have to move down right here packages and web page editors. Now use lorem ipsum as their default. So here I will be writing as their default model. Then close it and then take this p tag at the top like this. After doing that, just you have to simply do one thing, like you have to now copy this which we have just written here. So I will be now moving at the top, and then I will be pressing Ctrl C to copy like this. After doing that, move down after 4 divs and then again create div class as section layout underscore padding. Then write here div class as container. Also write a div class row. Write here div class call md12. Then write here div class as full. Then you have to now just write here div class as heading. Then I will be now just writing here main text align, and then you have to write here left. Then you have to write here div class as left. Then you have to write p tag, and then you have to create here section count, and then in p tag I will be writing 0 to. Write here div class right, and then you have to write here p tag small tag. So here I will be now writing that, and write here services. So here I will be now writing that. After doing that, you have to simply just move down h2 and write here spend tag create class as theme color, and then you have to now just write here how to provide Then you have to write here tools that help. Then you have to write here anyone give a voice to their ideas, like this. Now here you have to move after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divs. So these are the 4, 5 divs, and then you have to now just create this class as row margin top. Then here I will be now just writing underscore 30. Then when you just written that, you have to just write here this class as call as f6 and write here call md4. Then you have to now just write here div class as service block. So here I will be now writing that. Then create here div class and write here service again, and then write here icons. Create image, and then you have to remove this source here and write here width as 75. And then when you just written this, you have to write here height 75 source image slash icon 1.png. Then you have to just write here div class full. Then here I will be writing h4 digital marketing. So here I will be now writing this. Then here when you just done that, you have to create div class as full, and then you have to write here p tag and create lorem ipsum is simply dummy text of the printing and typesetting, like this. And then here I will be just writing industry. Then here you have to write lorem ipsum has been the industry standard dummy text, and then here I will be writing ever since, like this. Now when you just done that, you have to simply just move after the 3 divs here. So you can see these are the 3 divs, and then you have to write here div class as call sm6, write here call md4. Then you have to write here div class as service underscore block. Then you have to write here div class service underscore icons. Then you have to write here image width. So here I will be now just writing width as 75 and write here height as 75 source, and then write here image slash icon 2. So here I will be now just writing icon 2. Then write here div class as full. Then you have to write here h4 and then create here digital marketing. So here I will be now writing that. Then write here div class as full. After writing this p tag, and then after writing the p tag, copy the text which we have just written here. So I will be now moving, copy the text and then paste it here. After doing that, just press backspace here to give some spacing. So you can see now we have done that here, and take this p tag down as well. So just press enter here also. So when you just done that, simply move down after the 3 divs here, and then create div class call sm6 call md4. Write here div class, write here service block. So here I will be now just writing service dash block. Then you have to now just write here service underscore block, like this. So you can see we have written that at the top also, like this. Okay, so when you just done that, simply you have to just move up under the div here which we have created, and then create here service underscore icons, like this. Then here you have to just now create image, and then you have to remove the source. Write here width 75 and write height as 70. Source image, and then you have to write here icon 3, like this thing, and then write here div class as full, and then you have to write here h4 digital. So here I will be now writing digital marketing. Then here I will be now just writing div class as full. Then you have to write here p tag and then paste the things here, like this. Then you have to just now do one thing, like I will be now moving down, and then here I will be just doing one thing. I will be just now doing, like here I will be moving down after the p tag. So you can see these are the 3 divs here. So again create div class call md6 and call md4. Then you have to just write here div class as service block. Then you have to just now write here as service icons. Then you have to now just write here image, and then you have to remove this. Write here width as 75, height 75, write here source image slash, and write here icon 4. You can see here it is. Then create div class as full p tag, and then you have to now just write paste it here. Then press backspace, and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to move down, and then after doing that, you have to simply just do one thing, like here I will be now moving at the top. You can see we have written this. So here I will be moving down after the div and create div class as full. Here I will be also writing h4, and in h4 I will be writing here digital marketing. So here I will be now writing this here as well. Now when you just done that, move after the three divs here, and then write here div class call md6, and write here so call sm6 call md4. So here I will be now writing that. Write here div class service underscore block. Then here you have to write service underscore icon. So here I will be now writing that image, and then you have to now just write here width s75. So here I will be now writing that width 75. Then also write here height as 75. Write source image slash, write here icon 5. Then save this file, and then write here div class as full. And then you have to now just write here h4 digital marketing. Then when you just done that, simply write here div class full. And then you have to just write here p tag, and then you have to paste the tag. Then press backspace here, and then here you have to just move and press enter here as well. Now when you just done that, here you have to simply now move down after the three divs here. Write here div class, and then write call sm6 call md4, and then you have to write here div class as service block. So here I will be writing service block. Then you have to now just write here div class and write here service, and then you have to write here icons. Then here you have to write image, and then you have to create width 75, and write here height 75. Source image slash. Then here you have to write icon 6. Then when you just done with that, here I will be writing full h4, and then write here digital marketing. Then write here div class as full. Then you have to just write here p tag, paste the tags which we have copied, and then here you have to just move and press enter here as well. Now when you just done that, simply you have to just move down, give space, and then move down after the three divs as well. And now the section has been ended here, so I will be now just creating div class section layout underscore padding. Then write here div class as container. Write here div class row. So here I will be now writing div class row like this. Write here call md12. So here I will be now just writing that. So here I will be now just writing like this, and then create here full. So here I will be writing that div class heading. Then here I will be now just writing heading name text. Write here align left. Then here when you just written this, here I will be now just writing div class left, and then create here p tag. Then write here class section, and write here count, and write 03. Then write here div class as right, and then you have to just write p tag, write here small, and then write here tag. Then here you have to write portfolio. Then you have to now just write here h2 span tag. Then create here class, and then write here theme color. Then here I will be now just writing choose like this. Then move here and write professional design. Then when you just done that, here I will be writing p tag, write here large, and then you have to now write here websites. Then move after the div. So these are the 5 divs here. So you can see 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 divs. Then create div class here as well as row margin underscore top, or you can write here dash top, and then underscore 30. Then you have to write here div class, and then you have to write here call lg12 margin top, and I will be now just writing here underscore 30, and write here dash like this. Now when you just done that, here you have to move down, write here div id demo, and then you have to now create class as carousel slide. So here I will be now writing that. Here I will be now writing data right as carousel. Then you have to now just write here div class carousel inner, and then you have to now just write here div class carousel, and then you have to now write here item active. Then you have to now just write here div class row. So here I will be now writing. Then move down, create here div class, and then you have to now just write here call md3 call md6, and write here call sm12. Then here you have to write image, and then here you have to write class which will be as image responsive, and then you have to write here source images slash image1.png. Then when you just written that, you have to create div class as call ng3. So here I will be now writing call ng3, right here call md6 and write call sm12. Then you have to write here image tag. Then remove the source here, create class as image responsive, and then write here source images slash image2. Save it. Then create div class call mg3, call md6 and call sm12, and then write here image, remove the source here first class and image responsive, and here I will be writing source images slash and I will be writing image3. Then here again create class call mg3, and then write here call md6, call sm12. Then you have to write image and remove the source here first and write here image responsive, which will be the class source images slash, and then I will be writing here image4. Save this file here and then move down, create div class as carousel. So here I will be now writing here carousel dash item. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to write here div class row, and I will be writing div class as call lg3, right here call md6, call sm12. So here I will be now writing that. Then you have to now write here image, remove the source, right here class in the place of it as image, and I will be now writing here responsive. Then you have to create source images slash, and then you have to write here image1. Then here save it. After saving the file, here you have to just move down and then create here div class like this. Then remove the slash here, and here I will be now writing call mg3. Then write here call md6, and also write here call sm12. Then you have to write here image and remove the source, create class image responsive. Then write here source images slash, write here image2. Then write here div class as call lg3, call md6. So here I will be now writing and call sm12. Then you have to write here image and then write here class as image responsive source, and I will be now just writing here image3. Then write here div class call lg3, write here call md6. So here I will be now writing this, and write here call sm12 like this. So here you can see we have just done with that all the stuff like this thing, and now when you just written that all the stuff, simply you have to move down, and then here I will be now just writing source. So here I will be writing in the place of it like call sm12. Then write here image and remove the source, write here class as image responsive, and write here source images slash image2. Then when you just written this, move after the 4 divs and then write here a tag, remove the href, create class carousel dash control grid, which means previous, previous, and then I will be writing href hashtag demo, write here data slide as previous, spend tag, create class here as well, carousel control previous item. Then when you just written this, you have to write here a tag, remove the href, write carousel, and then you have to write here control next, then write here href demo, write here data slide, then you have to now just write here next, then write here spend tag class carousel control, and I will be writing here next item. Then give space after the a tag, move down after the 2 divs which we have created, and then write here div class as call lg12. Then write here p tag, and then we have to just now write here lorem tag to paste all the stuff. Then move down after the div, and then here again we have to write call lg12, the div class, and write here div class again, and write here full center, and write a tag, write here index file, and then you have to now just write in the place of it about, write here class as hbr dash radial out, and then here you have to write button key. Then here I will be writing see more, then make this tag, give a space after the 2 divs, close one, then here you have to write div class as section, and then you have to write here layout underscore padding, then write here dark underscore bg, write here div class as container, and then you have to write here div class as row, write here div class as call md12. So here I will be writing that, and write here div class as full. Then you have to move down here as well. Then here I will be creating a div class, and then here I will be giving heading underscore main the class, and write here text align, which will be as left, and write here white underscore fonts. Then you have to write here div class as left like this, and then you have to now just write here p tag class section count. So here I will be now writing that. Write here 04, write div class as right, and create, write here h2, and then write here a create tag span class theme color. Then here I will be writing personalized, and I will be writing here business. Then save this file here, move on to the browser to check we have done here. So I will be reloading, and you can see we are getting the loading tag and all the stuff which we want to create here. Now we have to add some of the other things as well, and some of the styling of Jest to make it good looking. So I will be now moving down here, and then here after moving down after the h2, here you have to just remove this span tag close one. Then here move down and create p tag, right here class. So here I will be now just moving right like this, and then here I will be writing class as large. Then here I will be writing what we done. Then just move after the divs. So these are the 5 divs here, 4, 5. Then write here div class, and then write here row margin top, and I will be writing underscore 30. Write here div class, and I will be writing call mg12, and write margin top. Then here you have to write underscore 30 white fonts like this. So here I will be writing white underscore fonts. P tag, write here lorem tag like this, and then you have to just move after the close div and write div class call mg12. Write here div class as full. Then here you have to just write a tag about, and I will be now just writing here contact bt, and write here read mode. Then when you just written this, you have to now just do one thing. You have to move after the 3 divs here and write div class as row margin top, and I will be now just writing here counter section. So here I can write counter underscore section. Write here div class call sm12. Then here you have to write call md4. So here I will be writing that. Then write here div class as counter, and then here I will be now just writing margin top underscore 30. Then write here h2 class as timer count title. Then I will be writing here count number. Then write here data to be equal to. Then I will be writing 23 data speed. And then here I will be writing 1500. Then move down after the close h2. Write here p tag, write class, and then write here count text. And then here I will be writing nominations. Then you have to now just move down after the 2 divs here. Write div class, and I will be writing it as call sm12. Write here call md4. Then you have to now just write here div class and write here counter margin top, and then I will be writing here 30. Then when you just done that, you have to simply move down, write here h2, create class as timer count title. Then you have to write here count number. Then write here data to 7. So here I will be writing that. Write here data speed as 1500. Then move after the h2 here. Write p tag and write class as count text. And here I will be now writing awards. Then move after the div. After 2 divs here, you can see this. Create another class as call sm12. So here I will be now just writing call sm12, call md4. Then write here div class, and I will be writing it as counter. Then write here margin dash top underscore 30. Then you have to write here h2 class timer count title. Write here count number. Then you have to now write here data to like this, and then here I will be now writing 31. So here I will be writing data speed equal to 1500. Then move down here. So after close h2, I will be moving down again and write here p tag, create class in this p tag as count text. So here I will be writing that. Then in center I will be now writing agencies. Then you have to just now move after the 2, 3, 4, 5 divs. These are, and then here I will be moving down after that. After doing that, create here div. Then here I will be writing class as section layout underscore padding. Then you have to write here div class container, right here div class row, and also right here div class s colon d12, then right here div class s2. Then here you have to just create div class heading, and I will be now writing here name text align, and I will be now just writing here left. Then you have to just write div class as left, so here I will be writing that as well. Then create p tag, and then write here section underscore count, right here 05, right here div class right. Then when you just written this, you have to write here p tag create class as a small underscore tag. Then I will be writing here our team. Then move down and then write here h2 span. Then here I will be creating the class which will be as theme color. So here I will be writing that, and I will be now writing here we have a professional. So here I will be writing we have a professional team of business analysts, like this. Now you have to just move down after the 5 days here, and then here I will be creating the div class as row, and right here margin top. So here I will be now writing 30. Then create div class as call lg12, and right here margin top 30. Right here div id as team slider. So here I will be now writing team slider, and right here class carousel slide. Then you have to write here data right as carousel. Then you have to now just write here div class as carousel item, or you can say inner. Then write here div class as carousel. So here I will be now writing div class carousel item active. Then you have to now just write here div class as row. So when you just written that, you have to now move down, and then here I will be just now creating div class here as well, which will be as call mg4. So here I will be writing that. Write here call mg4 and then create call sm12. Then you have to write here div class as full, and write div class as full team, and I will be now writing here member. And then you have to now just create here underscore image text align underscore center. So here I will be writing also underscore after the text. So you can see we have done that. After doing that, just you have to now move down right here image slash image 7. Then you have to now just write div class, and I will be just now writing here div class as social item. So here I will be now writing here team. Then you have to now just write here ul class, and I will be now just writing here ul class social icon. Then you have to now just write here li tag, and I will be now just writing here I tag class, write here fa Facebook, and then you have to now write here F. Then when you just done with that, here simply you have to move down right here li tag I tag class fa Twitter. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to now just move down, create li tag I tag class, and then you have to write here fa. Then here I will be writing LinkedIn. Then when you just written that, you have to write li tag, write here I tag class fa. Then here I will be writing Google plus, like this. Then here you have to move after the two divs and create div class as full text, and then you have to now just write here align center. Then you have to now just write here HP John Doe. So here I will be now writing here John Doe, like this, or any other different name you can also write if you want. Then write here div class, and here I will be writing full text align center. Then you have to write here p tag, right? This is a long established, and then you have to write the fact that reader will be distracted, and I will be now just writing by the readable. Then here I will be writing content. Then take this close p tag at the top here. Then when you just written this, you have to now give a space after that, and here you have to move down after the create create div class as call mg4. Right here call md4, and then right here call sm12. Then you have to now just write div class as full, right div class, and I will be now writing here full team member. Then here when you just written that, you have to write here image text align, and then here I will be writing center. Then when you just written that, here you have to just write image slash, and I will be writing image 8. Then you have to now just move down and write here div class, and here I will be writing social icon, and then you have to write here team. Then here you have to just move here and then write here underscore as well. Then move under the div ul, then create class as social icon. So here I will be now writing here. Then write here lia tag, and then you have to now just write here I tag class fa Facebook dash f. Then when you just done that, simply move down lia tag I class fa Twitter. Then here you have to move down again lia tag I tag class fa LinkedIn. Then you have to now just move forward lia tag I tag class fa Google. Sorry about that. So you can see we have just done all things here. Now I will be moving down after the two closures which we have created, and right here div class as full text align. Then I will be again writing here underscore center. After doing that, simply you have to just now move down and write here again the name. So I will be now writing a different name, like I will be writing my name to show you the difference which we are getting here. Then you have to just move down right here div class, write here full text, and then you have to now just write here full text align center, and then here I will be writing p tag. Paste the text here, press backspace and take the p tag down. So you can see this is the p tag. It is already down, so we don't have to do that. Just move down after the three divs. Right here div class call md4, and I will be writing here call md4 call sm12. Then you have to now just write here div class as full and write div class as full again. Write here team member, and then you have to now just write here team member image. Then write here text align center, and then here I will be now just writing image slash, and then you have to just write image 9. Then you have to now just write here div class. So here I will be writing div class as social icon, and then write here team. Then here I will be writing dual class social icon. Then lia tag, and here I will be writing I tag class fa Facebook app. Then when you just done that, here simply you have to just move down again. So here I will be now moving down lia tag I tag class fa Twitter. Then you have to now just move down lia tag I tag, then write here class fa write here LinkedIn. Then here you have to just move down lia tag, right here I tag class fa, and I will be now just writing here Google Plus. Then move down after the two divs here and write here div class as full name. So here I will be now writing full text align center. Then write here HP, and then again I will be now just writing my name. Then when you just written that, you have to simply move down after this tag and write here div class as full underscore, or you can write full underscore text align center like this. Then write here p tag, paste the text which we have copied, press backspace here. So like that. Then when you just written this, give space as well. So I will be giving the space here also. Then move after the three divs. Then move after the two divs. Create class again as carousel item. Right here div class row. So here I will be now writing div class row, and then right here div class as call md4. Right here call md4 call sm12. Then you have to now just write here div class as full div class, and then here I will be now just writing full team member. So write like that, and then here I will be writing image, and here I will be writing text align center. Then here you have to just write image slash image 7. Then here when you just done that, simply move down, write div class social icon. Then move down again, right here li. So here I will be now just moving down right here class as social icon. So here I will be now writing social underscore icon. Here I will be writing social underscore icon team. So here I will be moving at the top to check we have written here. So yes, we have written social icon team there. Here as well, means everywhere we have just written where we want. So when you just done with that, simply move down, and then here I will be writing lia tag right here I tag, and here I will be writing fa Facebook f like this. Then when you just done that, simply move down, right here li a tag, and right here I tag class fa, and then I will be writing here Twitter. Then you have to just move down and create here li a tag, right here I tag class fa LinkedIn. Then move down again and write li a tag I tag fa. Then I will be writing Google Plus. Save this thing here. Move at the top to check we have written dash at the top. Okay, so we have written, so means that it is perfectly fine. After doing that, here simply have to now just move after the UL and the two divs which we have created. Again, write the div with class as full, and then I will be writing here text align center. So here I will be now writing that. Right here h3, and then here I will be writing again my name. Then here you have to write div class as full. So here I will be writing full text align center. Then you have to now just write here p tag and then paste the text here. Press backspace and then give a space here. Then move down after the three divs. Write here div class call lg, and then you have to write here 4 call md4. Write here call sm12. Then you have to now just write here div class as full. Write here div. So here I will be writing div class full team member. Then you have to write here image and write here again text underscore align, right here center. Then you have to write here image slash, and I will be writing image 8. So here I will be writing image 8.png. Move down here and create div class, right here social underscore, right here icon team. Then you have to write here UL tag and write here social underscore icon. Then write here li a tag, I tag, right here face fa Facebook. Then when you just written that, you have to now write here li a tag, I tag class fa Twitter. Then you have to now just move down li a tag, I tag class fa, and then you have to now just write here LinkedIn. Then when you just did li a tag, I tag class fa, and I will be now writing here Google Plus. Save it here. Then you have to now just write here div class as full and write here text underscore align center. Then you have to just move down, and then here I will be writing h3, and here again I will be now writing my name to show you the difference. So here I will be now writing div class, right here full, and I will be writing here text align center. Then you have to just now write here p tag, paste the text here, and then after pasting the text, just give a space here as well. Then you have to now just move down after the three divs, right here div class, and I will be writing here call md4, then right here call md4, call sm12. And here you have to write div class as full. So here I will be writing div class full. Right here div class full again, and right here team member. So here I will be writing like that. So just you have to now just hit save here. After saving this file, just I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be now pressing Ctrl V here. So here I will be now pressing Ctrl V to remove the things which we have created. So you can see here we will be now getting these all things again. So for doing that, just move here down and paste, copy this till three divs here. After doing that, just paste it down. So I will be now pasting it down like this. Then here you have to just give a space after that and move down after the three divs. And then you have to now just write here div class as bullets. After writing that, you have to now just write here UL tag and create here class carousel indicators. Then you have to now write here li, write here data target equal to, and write here team underscore slider. Write here data slide to, and I will be now just writing here 0 class as active. Then you have to now again write here li data target. So here I will be now writing, write here team underscore slider, write here data slide to, and I will be writing here 1. After doing that, just move after the UL tag and the divs which we have created. So these are the 1 give space, after 2 give space, and then 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5. Move down, give space here as well, and then write here footer tag, create class in that which will be as footer box, and write here div class as container, then create here div class row. Now here I will be writing div class as column d12, Write here margin bottom, and then here you have to write underscore 30. Then write here image slash f logo.png, which will be our logo. Then write here div class as call excel. So here I will be writing call excel 6. And then I will be writing here white underscore fonts. Write here div class row. Write here div class, and I will be writing here call md12. Write white fonts, and I will be writing here margin bottom. Write 30. Then take this underscore and change it to dash. Then write here h3. So here I will be now pressing backspace. Write here h3. And write here contact us like this. Now here you have to just write div class, which will be as call md4. Then you have to now write here div class as full underscore icon. Then you have to now just remove this underscore because it is not compulsory to write this. Write here images slash social one. So here I will be writing social one. Then write here div class, and then create here full, and write here white fonts like this. And then you have to now just write here p tag, and then here the names I will be writing London 145. Then write here br tag. Write here United Kingdom. Then when you just done that, take this close p tag at the top here. Now when you just written this, you have to now write here div class as colon d5, and then you have to write here div class, and then here I will be writing full icon. Then write here images slash, and then create social 2. Then when you just written that, you have to now just move down, and here I will be writing div class as full white. So here I will be now writing full white fonts. Then write here p tag, and I will be now writing here consultation@gmail.com. And then when you just written that, you have to simply move down and write here br tag, in which I will be again writing here consultation. So here I will be writing consultation@gmail.com like this. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to take this close p tag at the top here. Now when you just written that, you have to simply move down and write here div class as colon d3. And then you have to write here div class as full icon. So here I will be giving space and writing full icon images slash, write here social 3. Then you have to now just write here div class as full, and I will be writing here white underscore fonts. Then write here p tag 758665656. This is the random number which I am writing. Br tag again 758665656 like this. Now take this close p tag at the top here. And then when you just written this, you have to create div class, and I will be writing it as call md12. Then you have to write here ul tag, write class as full social icon. Then here I will be now writing margin top. Then here I will be writing 20. Then you have to now just write here lia tag, and then you have to now just write like this I tag class fa, and I will be writing here Facebook dash f. Then you have to now just remove this tag. Then move down. Write here lia tag, I tag class fa, and I will be writing here Twitter. Then you have to now just move down lia tag, write here I tag class fa, and I will be writing here LinkedIn. Then when you just written that, in here you have to write lia tag, I tag class fa, and I will be writing here Google Plus. Save this tag. Then after doing that, simply move after the 3 divs here. So these are the 3 divs which we have created. So just you have to move after the 3 divs like this, and then write here div class as call excel6, and write here white fonts. Then you have to now write here div class row, write here div class call md6, and then write here div class as footer. Then you have to write here footer block footer underscore menu. Then when you just written this, you have to write here hd, and I will be now just writing here menus. Then move down and write ul tag, li, a tag, and then here you have to just write like that. Index file, then you have to now just name this home like this. Create li, a tag, and then here I will be writing about, and then write here about us. Then move down again, write here li, a tag. Here I will be writing services, and then here I will be writing services. Then move down here li, a tag, and then you have to just write here hashtag, and then write here blog. Then when you just written this li, a tag, and then here you have to just write contact, and then you have to write here contact us. Then you have to now just write here div class as footer big or blog. Then right here recent post footer. So here I will be now writing like this. Right here h3 and I will be writing here recent post. Then move down and here I will be now just writing p10. Right here participate in staff meeting. And then here I will be writing manage dedicated to marketing. Then here I will be now just writing November 25 and then right here 2023 like this. Then take this close tag at the top. Then move down and right here div class call md6. So here I will be now writing div class call md6 and then when you just written that you have to simply write here div class and then here I will be writing footer log and I will be writing here full h3 newsletter. Then right here div class right here newsletter form, right here form action and then you have to write here index file. Then right here input type email. Then when you just written that simply you have to just write here placeholder. So here I will be now writing placeholder your email. Then right here name. In name I will be just normally writing here hashtag. Right here required. And then you have to now just move after this input tag here and create a button. So here I will be now writing the button name as submit. Then move after this div. So this is the 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 press space and then give 1 line space again. Then move down after the close footer tag and write a div here as footer bottom. So here I will be writing the class. Right here div class container. Right here div class row and I will be writing here div class call 12. Then p tag. Right here CRP and I will be writing at the rate copy sign and writing here 2023 business. Right here all rights reserved. So here I will be now writing that. After writing that thing here you have to now just do one thing. Just press full stop here and then here you have to just move at the top again and then here I will be writing dual class and here I will be writing bottom menu. So here I will be now writing just class as bottom and then you have to write here menu. Then move down right here li tag and then here I will be writing term of service. Then move down li tag and here I will be now just writing privacy. Move down after these four divs here. So you can see these are the four divs and then here I will be writing a tag. Right here hashtag id. In id I will be writing scroll to top like this and then right here class hdr radial. Then you have to write here out. Then here I will be writing itag class and write fa angle. Then you have to now just do one thing, move down after the close a tag which we have created and write here script. And here I will be now writing source.js/jquery min.js. So here I will be now writing jquery min.js. Then here you have to just move down right here script tag and write source.js/ and I will be writing here popper min.js. Then again script tag right here source.js/ right here bootstrap min.js. Then give one space again right here source.js/ and I will be writing jquery magnetic popper. Then again script tag right here source.js/ and right here jquery pogo slider min.js. Then right here script source.js/ and I will be writing here slider index.js. Then right here script source/js/ and I will be writing here smooth scroll js. Then right here script again right here source.js/ and then you have to now just write here form validator. So you can see we have just now written that all things like we want and we have written form validator as well. Again script tag source.js/. Then here I will be writing contact form script.js. Right here script source/js/. Then here I will be writing isotope min.js. Then right here script source/js/. Then here I will be writing images loaded min.js. Then when you just written this script source/js/ and I will be writing custom.js like this. Then again you have to just move down right here script tag and then here after writing that simply you have to move down. So you can see after moving down, you can just create these alt tags like we want. So here I will be saving this file, and you can see the things which we want to do is done. And now here you can add some of the other things as well to make it more good looking. But we have added all the stuff and all the files we have linked, so we don't need again any other file to just link that. So when you just done with that all things here, just you have to do another thing like, so like we have just created all the stuff in this file. Now here if I just show you in my browser, so it will be looking really awesome. So I will be now opening my browser. You can see our project is totally ready. Business marketing and consulting application. We have created all the stuff like we want. We have created the home, about us, services, blog, contact, sign up now button, and we are also getting amazing slider here in this project. And if I scroll down, so you can see we are getting a smooth scrolling effect as well. And here I've written my name, so I'm getting my name as well in the profile section, which is looking really good. And in the end, we are also getting the footer section. So I hope you understand how we have created this project. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like. And if you're new on the channel and want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just create these amazing projects using different languages. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.